What do interviewers listen for and candidates miss? Because it could be costing you the interview. It's like turning up to a wedding in fancy dress. Your outfit might be amazing, but you didn't read the room. The first thing is engagement. Can you ensure that your story really draws the interviewers into your world? Because that's how you ensure that they don't switch off or fall asleep whilst you're talking. And the way that you do that is making sure that in your answers you provide a clear context so that they are able to visualize what this story is. Usually that comes from providing facts and figures. I always say this: facts and figures provide context, provide numbers. For example, instead of saying I managed the team, I managed a team of 10, they can now visualize 10 people. I managed across 3 different countries, including and mention the country names. Now they can see which remit you worked across, and all this goes towards is that key thing, which is providing a visual reference. Secondly is how you're structuring your answer. Ultimately, can they follow your train of thought as you're talking them through the story? A lot of times, if you don't have a systemized approach, and I normally recommend saying firstly, secondly, thirdly, fourthly, and finally, for example, then it's easy for them to follow your train of thought because you've systemized your response. So this is extremely important, because otherwise you end up waffling, and as you end up waffling, you lose the interviewer and they switch off. And thirdly are the keywords, the buzzwords. Every organization is looking for alignment between what you say and their values, and we have to make sure that we're referencing those throughout the interviewing process. So you have to make sure you understand their values, you understand the synonyms related to those values, and that you're referencing them throughout your answer. So if they talk about we are a compassionate company, if they talk about we are innovative, you need to start dropping those pieces or nuggets of buzzwords into your answers to show that alignment. And finally, I'd like to tell you about the interview cheat book, which are 10 strategies for 10 of the most common interview questions. So the audiovisual guide is normally £20, but completely free for all of my followers on TikTok. But also, if you have an immediate interview coming up and want to be ready, then check out the Interview Cheat Book Pro. And also, if you're looking for some personalized coaching, we then have our one-to-one coaching options as well. Link is in the description. Like and follow for more, and I'll see you in the next one.